Hey, come check out the garden with us. Bill got the T-posts and the fencing from Tractor Supply, and we got the wood from Lowe's to do the garden boxes. Our sweet potato is looking really good in that big pot. Next to that, we have our strawberries getting so cute and red. In the garden boxes, we used a mixture of our own compost, soil from the store, manure from the store, and mulch from our next door neighbor who owns a tree company. These are our zucchini. They haven't really taken off quite yet. Next to that is our yellow squash. They're looking really good. We've already harvested a few squash already. We've been thinking about harvesting the blossoms too. Let us know if you have any good recipes or tips on harvesting the blossoms and how to eat them. Next to that is the eggplant. And we've also planted a mango seed in this pot. Me and Robert wanted to see what came of that. And there's our pineapple plant. We have lots of peppers popping through, looking crisp, of the bell pepper assortment. No spicy peppers yet. These are our tomatoes, Romas, heirlooms. Can't wait to pick that one and have a BLT with it. Little cherry tomatoes in the back, ready for harvesting. You know, we like to do things with least amount of effort as possible, so we use the same T-posts and fencing that we use for the outside as trellises for the tomatoes, so we didn't have to get anything extra for that. These little cherries, Robert will inhale. We got broccoli growing over here, and we use the little seed pods that are starting to come up to plant new broccoli, so whenever those come up, we'll take out the old stalks. In the same box as eggplant and basil. Here is our herb box with lots of parsley, thyme, oregano, and I planted some onions, and last year's basil's coming back up. We have more onions in this pot. They actually seem to be doing better in the pot. There's more strawberries. In this box, we planted black beans and bush beans, but nothing's really coming of that. Those are radishes. They came up so good. This is the corn. Squirrels have been digging out our corn. We are not happy about this. Bill's gonna do some damage control here. With the summer heat, we are anxiously awaiting these watermelons to start growing. Bill is working on snap peas. Next to that is cucumbers and green beans. This is the compost bin. That's a pear tree. This isn't more pineapple, and behind the pineapple is blueberries. I am going to tear up some blueberry jam once these start getting ripe. There's our orange tree. It's really not producing at all. If anybody has any tips, help us out. There's Big Daddy making our trellis bigger for when the green beans and the cucumber and the snap peas start growing. He's also plotting how to protect our corn. Okay. Here's the cutest little garden helper you ever did see. We decided to use the same fencing again to put a cage basically over the corn and carrots. We'll keep you updated with how everything's growing. Bye.